Hi everyone, hi, my name is Romanus Amarachi Mary's, and welcome to this episode of Mary's Health Chat. It's time for some health chat. Let's discuss health. Okay, our topic of discussion today is effects of gonorrhea in men. What are the effects of gonorrhea in the body of men? Before I dive into discussing the effects of gonorrhea in men, I want to discuss what gonorrhea is all about. Gonorrhea is a sexually transmitted infection or a sexually transmitted disease that is contacted through sexual intercourse or contact with the body fluids. The body fluids, which includes the blood, the saliva, or the body fluids. Okay? Then the signs and symptoms of this gonorrhea in the body of men. Let's dive into it. Okay. The first sign or symptom of this gonorrhea is unusual discharge. As a man, you start noticing an unusual discharge from your penis. Okay, this discharge can be yellow in color, whitish in color, or green in color, depending on the level this gonorrhea has gone in your body. Alright, and the second sign or symptom you'll be noticing about this gonorrhea is pain and that burning sensation they feel. Have you seen someone with this gonorrhea before? Urinating is not an option because the pain and the burning sensation they feel while urinating makes it difficult and uncomfortable for them to ever want to urinate again. And the third one is the swelling of their foreskin. On the foreskin of their genitals, there will be swelling. Even inside the genital, there will be swelling. So the one they will easily notice is the one outside the genitals, their foreskin. There will be swelling. It will be very well inflamed. Okay, the last but not the least signs and symptoms a man will notice if he is suffering gonorrhea is fever. I mean, every infection comes with fever. Fever comes due to the body compensatory mechanism trying to fight this infection. So fever is more like what you feel when your body is fighting infection. Okay, all right. This infection may also affect not only the penis but the rectum, the throat, and the eye. And this effect occurs if the person indulges into anal sex, oral sex, or maybe somehow the infection had a way of getting to the person's eyes. Okay? And when this infection gets to the person's eyes, the person will start suffering from what we call conjunctivitis. Okay, that's the swelling of the conjunctiva of the eye. The person will start feeling pains in their eye. Okay, and when this infection, gonorrhea, gets to the rectum, it causes pain, uncontrollable pain, discomfort. You can't even sit down properly because it's very hard. The pain is something else. And also noticing discharge from the rectum. Same with the throat. The throat might not be that profound because the body somehow excretes whatever is taken in. Alright, then let's go properly to the effects of gonorrhea in life of man. The number one effect of this gonorrhea in the body of a man is inflammation. Inflammation of his testicles. All his testicles that is in his scrotum, the testicles in his scrotum, they get inflamed, they swell up. The whole of your genitals swell up due to this infection. Okay? And this inflammation can be accompanied with pain. Yes, severe pain. This inflammation, if nothing is done, might go ahead, increase, and finally lead to necrosis of that part of the body. And even if this inflammation is somehow controlled, it might lead to scar tissue formation because that part of the body has gone through some stress and is trying to heal itself. So it might form a scar. Just imagine having a wound on your body. Whenever it's healing or it has healed, it might end up forming a scar due to the pain and the torture it went through. Okay? Okay, the second effect of this gonorrhea in the body of a man is inflammation of his prostate. Then we heard the doctor telling you that you have posturitis. It's because of this inflammation. Gonorrhea can lead to different type of body dysfunction, different type of diseases if not treated properly. So when this man now have this inflamed prostate gland, he will not be able to pass urine in the proper amount, in the proper way. That's where these pains, why urinating, comes from. Okay? Then the next thing he will experience as an effect of this gonorrhea is prostate pains. That region of his prostate gland will be giving him too much pain because the body can't remove waste product, that's urine, and he can't also perform properly because that passage, that's the urethra, has been blocked. The next effect of this gonorrhea in the body of a man is scars in the urethra, as I mentioned earlier. Due to this inflammation, due to the struggle, the pain, the torture that the genitals have gone through, the urethra is the passage by which urine and sperm passes through. Okay? So when this urethra have gone through these struggles, this torture, it might not heal properly, or when it heals, it might form a scar. This scar will end up blocking the urethra, so the man will not be able to pass urine, the man will not be able to pass spermatozoa, and these have finally led to infertility. Yes. The last but not the least effects of gonorrhea in the life of the man is infertility. Listen, infertility comes maybe due to the inflammation. Those inflammation might end up killing the testicles. It might end up destroying the vestibule of the man's penis. Vast difference, okay? Vast difference of the man's penis. It might end up destroying many things in his genitals if nothing is done. Okay? Imagine when his testicles are destroyed, the body can't produce sperm anymore. Imagine when the testicles are in trauma, the body can't produce the right amount of sperm. That means that man will eventually have a low sperm count or no sperm at all. Okay? And sometimes the body might be producing sperm, but there is a blockage due to the scar tissue formation in the urethra. Okay? So the sperm can't pass through. And this scar tissue formation doesn't only affect the sperm, even the urine. This is the effect of this gonorrhea. This gonorrhea is very bad, so it should be treated with immediate effect. Okay? Whenever you notice these signs and symptoms I've mentioned here, go to your doctor, go to your nurse, go to the health professional, go to your healthcare provider, tell them about it, and let them give you the best treatment to avoid complications. And listen, in rare cases, gonorrhea has been, if being left untreated, will spread through the bloodstream and affect other parts of the body. That is not the genitals. Now, other parts of the body. Just imagine when there is inflammation, and this inflammation have reigned for a long time. It might end up causing necrosis. Necrosis is cell death. That part of the body will die. And when this part of the body dies, this disease might spread from the genitals to other organs of the body and destroy them too. And this is called sepsis. Okay? So let's be careful to give an appropriate treatment to this infection. And also I want you guys to follow me on the next episode. I'll be discussing the effects of gonorrhea in the body of a woman. Thank you all for staying with me to this level. I would want you to follow, subscribe, like, drop your comments, and be a part of what we're doing. My name is Romanus Amarachi Merit. Thank you.